Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a very exciting work from home job lead for you. If you have any kind of a background in music, this is for you. Warner Music Group is hiring a deal entry specialist. Now, this is a temporary position, but it is remote within the United States. Now, this is a temporary position, but they're looking for a deal entry specialist to play a critical role in making sure that their data on their labels, recording, merchandise, distribution, and licensing agreements are all accurate. So you'll be checking that for accuracy. You'll work directly with the business affairs to clarify any key terms and answer any questions that need to be answered. So you'll key in all data into their new rights administration database, which will flow into several downstream systems. You'll interface directly with the attorneys to obtain any clarification on contract language and business practices, and you'll submit deals to the business and legal affairs to review, which includes making any necessary changes and resubmitting for approval. Now, working with a big music group sounds so fun to me, but they do prefer somebody who has 3 to 5 years experience in some kind of contract administration or rights management. Of course, that is not required, but what is required is that you have firsthand experience interpreting and summarizing various types of entertainment contracts, including record licensing agreements, merchandise, that sort of thing, and that you have multitasking abilities and you don't get your feathers ruffled easily. You also have to have strong interpersonal skills. Now, they are paying very, very well for this position. If you have those skills, they're paying anywhere from $25 to $35 an hour. All right, please remember that sharing is always caring. If you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.